Google Drive is one of the most popular cloud storage platforms, and in 2025, it's more powerful than ever. Whether you're a student, professional, or small business owner, knowing the latest tips and tricks can help you organize your files, collaborate efficiently, and save time. One of the first tips is mastering folder organization. Creating clear hierarchical folders and using consistent naming conventions makes it much easier to find files quickly. Color coding folders and starring frequently accessed documents are simple ways to keep your drive organized at a glance. Collaboration is where Google Drive really shines. Sharing files and folders with team members or classmates allows real-time collaboration. You can set permissions to view, comment, or edit, giving you full control over how others interact with your files. Using the @mention feature in comments is a great way to notify collaborators directly, making communication seamless without switching to email or chat. Another powerful feature is Google Drive's search functionality. By using search operators, such as file type, owner, or keywords within documents, you can find files faster than ever. You can also set up shortcuts for frequently accessed files or shared drives, which is especially helpful for teams working on multiple projects. For advanced users, Google Drive integrates with tools like Google Workspace apps, Zapier, and Slack to automate workflows, such as automatically saving email attachments to a specific folder or syncing files with other platforms. Security is also crucial. Always use two-factor authentication for your Google account and regularly check shared files to ensure sensitive documents are only accessible to the right people. Version history is another hidden gem. It allows you to restore previous versions of files, making it easy to recover from mistakes or track changes over time. Finally, don't forget about mobile access. The Google Drive mobile app is fully capable of uploading, organizing, and collaborating on files on the go. Using features like offline access ensures you can work even without an internet connection. By mastering these tips and tricks, you can make Google Drive not just a storage space, but a central hub for productivity and collaboration in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, productivity hacks, and tools to make your digital life easier.